it is wedding week. So I'm going to start out with this heart. Y'all, I got this from Hobby Lobby. So it is like a little hanger type thing, and it just looks like that. So it came like this color. So I'm going to be using this little laser cut wooden word there. Oh, this is going to be simple. This one is. The other one's going to take a little longer, but okay. So I got these little flowers. These are just paper flowers from Hobby Lobby, and this one isn't Paper Studio, it is Prima Flowers. I just got a pack of these cream color, and it's got a little bit of sparkle to them. So I just thought we're just going to place these here, and we're going to dazzle these up. Put my word on here. Okay, y'all, these are just little greeneries that I'm going to put in here too. I'm just adding just a little bit here and there. That's just nothing major. We may paint it white. We'll paint it white. So I guess I'll just do a little painting on this wording here, this word. Okay. Yeah, let's do a little diamond dust on that real quick. I got some Mod Podge, so we're just going to do plain, just the matte Mod Podge. Mod Podge. Let's sprinkle that real quick before it dries on me. Alright, we got some sparkle. I think you can see it going on there. Now we're just going to glue this down. I'm going to just start gluing here. Okay. Alright, so this is what we look like so far. That is what we look like. Those little flowers have some sparkle to them, but we're going to dazzle that up. We're going to put some of these little pieces. This is the antique bronze. So there's our Totally Dazzled pieces on those little flowers there. So I got this beautiful frame. I mean, look at this frame. So I got this frame from when I went thrifting. It was just the frame. There was no glass. There was no nothing. Just the frame. I just took one of these canvas. They're just flat canvas. You can get these at Hobby Lobby. You can get them at Dollar Tree has them. I get mine at Dollar Tree. And all I did was I cut it to fit the back of this. And all I did was I took some craft paper from Hobby Lobby and I just applied it on here with some Mod Podge. So that is the paper that's on there. It says love and something else, I don't know. But that is the paper that's on there. And what I thought, this has a little, like little beading. I think you can see it. So I'm just going to apply a little bit of Spanish copper rubbing buff on here. I'm just going to take a little, I'm just going to rub it with my fingers across there just to bring that beading out. Yeah, look at that frame. But yeah, we just have that Spanish copper around, just around that small little bead, or on that small little beading there. So I thought we could take my little sign that I made. I thought it would fit right there. That's what it's going to look like. We're gonna go ahead and glue this down. So I'm just gonna. So that's what we got so far. And then I wanted a boot. So it was red, white, and blue. but I wanted a white one. I could not find a white little vase. So I painted it, y'all. I painted it. And look what I did. I diamond dusted the bottom of that boot. I think you can see it, the shine on it. So I diamond dusted that. So we're just gonna bling this boot up. It's gonna have, I'm gonna put some flowers in it. So it's gonna be cute. So we're using the bling wrap, the silver bling wrap. So we're just gonna bling this up. Okay, so we got our little boot going on up there. How cute is that? So we're gonna continue. And there's our little bling. Our boots getting all blinged up, y'all. So we got that little tassel all blinged up there. I think we got it all blinged out. We got it all blinged out. Okay, so in the front we're too plain. We're gonna put we're gonna put this applique on there. And it's got the 3M backing to it, so you just peel that off, and it's got the sticky stuff to it. So there's that applique. Isn't that gorgeous? It is beautiful. I'm gonna add this one. Okay, so on this side we've got our, put another piece right there. But we do have this, and on this side I'll show you what I'm gonna do. One more little touch to this. And like I said, this is kind of a country chic type vase. So I got some I've got some chiffon here, I've got some pearls, I've got a little bit of leather. But I'm going to put this Totally Dazzled piece. It's just a rhinestone piece there. I'm adding that right there to this. This is the side of it, and we got that little Totally Dazzled piece there. Let me just show you real quick what this could look like with some flowers in it. Yeah. So, how cute is that? Yeah. So here's our little sign here that we made.
Totally Dazzled sells sparkling rhinestone wedding supplies. Check us out at totallydazzled.com. But before you do, click up here and grab our free download, 50 Ways to Bling Out Your Wedding. Or click down here and watch one of our other awesome tutorials.